Greetings, my name is Dennis Daniels, and I think the OpenOffice is a great tool, but it's got some flaws in the mnemonics. I like to think of myself as a more sophisticated user and try not to use the mouse any more than I have to, but OpenOffice does not make that easy. In fact, it's becoming a very mouse-based application, and that disturbs me. Because even the competitors' products use mnemonics to help the power user become the average user become a good user. Beautiful. My recent changes to this didn't work. That was supposed to be legible font. Anyway, I got the this version from OpenOffice's site. Let me go show you something actually, since we're here. Stop that, cancel, close, click. Now watch this. I can't edit this. If I right click, edit style, it's already set at 16, but it doesn't change it. Problem 1. If I go to outline, if I change it here, I can change the font here. Save it. Control S, F5. Now it's a regular font size. Alright, so you can go there and check it out. It drives me nuts. It's a productivity tool, but it doesn't help the user. I turn on the preferences for extended tips, but nothing for mnemonics. And the hotkey config is opaque, and very few help documents on it. Let me show you what I mean. File, properties, no. File, edit, tools, options, that's where it is. Tools, options, user data, general, extended tips. See that? If you can't read it, it says extended tips right there. I turned them on, but it doesn't show the mnemonic for the hotkey. Watch, I'll show you. Click OK. Look at this. You roll over, it should say Control S. When you roll over that, over the open folder, it should say Control O. When it rolls over this, it should say Control P. The spell check, hello, it should say F7, which I believe it is. See that? That drives me nuts. That should say Control X. That should say Control V. That's so primitive. And the one that really just gets me, especially with Impress, is that there is no way of configuring the decrease and increase. Let me show you what I mean by that. Slideshow, tools, customize, dig around, keyboard, found it. Now I go down into my controls. Maybe it's under controls. No. Maybe it's under view, applications, edit. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Hyperlink, spell check. Okay, it's already a select. Look at that. Select all. Control A. Repeat. Control Y. Plug in. Don't know what that is. Paste special. Control V. See, that's Control A is not set. How could that be? That blows my mind. Control A. Look at that. It's not even applied. So let's see how we could do that. Modify. Select all. Okay. Now save. Where's it saved to? My documents? Why is it going to my documents? It should go to the OpenOffice. So when I open this again, I don't think my Control A feature or Control A config is going to be saved. I don't even know where to save it. I'll call it ASDF. I don't know what file type. Oh, it's a config. Well, why do I have to remember that? Save. And now, again, my original thought was how to insert labels. No, insert slide. Where's that? Insert slide, nothing. Let's go use Control M, because that's the one that I've been trained on. For you PowerPoint users, you know what I'm talking about. Modify, Control M, save. Doesn't remember the last configuration? Well, that's encouraging. I mean, that's just primitive. It doesn't even show my config files, and I just saved it, did I not? Oh, look at that, right there, configuration. Save, yes, but it doesn't show up. Now let's go back, options, templates, edit. I want to be able to change the outline mode. Where's the outline mode? I click on that, so I'm going to show up. Bullets, table, numbering, connectors, styles, no. Is there even a control for modifying the outline view? You know, that's what maybe it just doesn't have it. Maybe it's just so outline unfriendly. Oh, what's this? View outline. What does that do? Nothing. Snap, slideshow, zoom, text, zoom page. Alright, let's go. Let's really get the irritant going. And click on the help. When I do outline, symbols, outline view, font effects. Well, nothing about modifying it. Outline symbols. Okay, I know all that. Thank you. Text overflow, moving. How about decreasing outline view? Double click. Promote. Okay, yeah, and how do I modify it? Demote. Okay, so I've got my key, I got my words there. Can I search here? Or do I have to dig around? I have to dig around. Where am I going to find the promote and demote in how many different, oh, there it is. Look at that. View. Demote. I wonder if promote is in there too. Promote. Hey, look at that. Nothing to do with outlines, but there they are. Okay, so demote. Now, let me try it. Control Shift arrow. Nope. Let's try that again. Control Shift up. Modify. Okay, now, actually I should Promote Shift Modify. Alright, get rid of that one. Delete. Now Control Shift. Let me go down. Control Shift Promote. Promote. Okay. And modify. And save. Now watch this. Oh. Where is it? I don't want to see all files. I just want to see config. And it doesn't show up again. ASDF. Hey, look at that. How irritating. Save. Yes, I want to replace it, even though I don't know. It doesn't even see it. Save. Don't want to do that again. That's too irritating. Okay, so now let's see if it works. Okay, it looks like it's working. But that isn't so much what I want to do as moving it up. So what do we call that? What is it called? This is promote and demote, right? So what's the mnemonic? What do I look for when I go digging into the help fields? Alright, I'm done. I'm irritated. You may want to download that screencast to see it. The font legibility and the flash movie player is terrible. Do your own screencasts. I use a Demo Studio on my XP box. The Linux side is a little thin on screencasting tools, perhaps why Linux has not been embraced by the open market as much, because it doesn't have any visuals to show how cool it is. XVidCap is alright, but it languishes in the need of support and funds. Share the wealth. Record what you're doing. Create your own screencasts and publish them. I get into first developing world and developed world issues, but not right now. We can fix education by promoting free tools like OpenOffice. I would recommend everybody build an LTSP network, and I want to thank you. My name is Dennis Daniels, and send me an email if this helped you or someone you know. Thank you, and happy computing.